Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I'll be making another Dollar Tree DIY, and this one is super quick and easy. And it is these black and white pumpkin topiaries with skull flowers on top of them. I spelled out the word boo on one of them and eek on the other, and I think together as a pair they make a really nice little decor for either like a centerpiece or for a entryway table like what I'm doing here. So I think all I need is to replace that sign with a different Halloween themed sign, and I think I'll be all set for my Halloween decor for the entryway. Every single item I use to make these is from the Dollar Tree, and let's dive right into the tutorial. So I'm using the foam pumpkins that you can easily find at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just painting them black. I'm giving them 2 coats of Waverly chalk paint in the color ink. So the other thing that you'll need is a pack of the skulls. I'm cutting my skulls here, and the easiest way that I found to cut them is to start at the temple and cut the head off and just leave the face. And I'm using just the craft knife. You can use a craft knife from the Dollar Tree or whatever you have, and you just want to leave the face, and then we're putting it on the flowers, and you'll need 2 packs of the flowers. Next, I'm gluing the skulls onto the flowers, and I found the easiest way to do it is to just take off the flowers from the stem, and then you can put them back easily and reposition them how you want them. Then I'm just giving my pumpkins a second coat of paint. Now for the pots, I'm using just the pots that they have at the Dollar Tree. Like some of them have a cat on them, some of them have sunflowers on them, and I decided to wrap them in jute cord. I was going to paint them initially, and I tried that, but it just didn't look good. I tried putting like antique wax on top of them. It wasn't working out how I wanted it, so I ended up just wrapping them in the jute cord. It's a little bit time consuming, but it's really not that bad. It goes really fast once you start. Then I'm just gluing the pumpkins with a hot glue gun onto my pot, and I decided to do this just because I thought it would be more sturdy. You could probably just like stick a skewer through all of them to keep them in place, but I just wanted them to be a little bit more secure, so I glued them on. And then after I had them glued down, I used a little bit of white and I dry brushed them just without any rhyme or reason, just putting some brush strokes on there to kind of give it a little bit more dimension and make it a little more rustic looking. Next, I'm just sticking my flowers into the top pumpkin. I made a little bit of mistake because my paint hadn't dried, so if you see a little smudge, that's why that is. I fixed that later, but it looks a little weird right there. For the letters, I used the Dollar Tree poster board letters, and I just painted them in a white color. And all I have to do is put on my letters, and it's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick DIY. I'm sorry about how messy it got. I will work on making things a little bit easier to see in my next video. I realized when I was watching it back that there's just such a big mess on my table, but nonetheless, I hope that this was helpful, and please check out my other videos, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it.